The control board support to add the 2.4G card to the app. Click the Settings button in the top right. In iOS system, please select Add USB card/RF remote off-site. In Android system, please select Add USB card/RF remote from a distance range. Select the USB dongle and enter the ID number. Click Add. The QR code remote control also can be added to the app. Select the RF remote control, scan the QR code and click Add. You can manage the cards and remotes if needed by app. Click the card list. Select the card or remote, click the Delete, and Confirm. You also can add new cards or remotes by another way on the app. Click Learn, select Start Learning. Then power on the card or press the remote to transmit a signal. Then app shows Add Success.